Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is John Artsberger and this is From Failure to Freedom. And on my channel, I teach people how to make money online. And I know you hear that all the time, but if you haven't heard it from me, then it's probably bullshit. No, I'm just joking. There's a couple people online that really do make a difference, and I try to be one of those people. So if you want to get to know me a little bit, go check out my YouTube, check out some of my other videos. But in this video today, we're actually talking about a system that I use with Forex. And I don't know if you guys have heard of Forex before, the foreign exchange market, trading the foreign exchange market. But it's quite popular online now, and I see a lot of people doing it wrong. See, I've been doing it for the last 2 years, and I'm very profitable with it, but I don't overpromise people and underdeliver. What you're going to find out watching this video is exactly what system we have, what we use, and we automate the entire thing for people. And you're going to see how you can benefit from it. You can also see our profits that we make every single day and actually track it and follow along with us. So hold tight. I'm going to head over to my YouTube, show you how it's set up, and show you where you can follow along with this progress every single day and how you can get started actually earning with Forex with us. All right, guys, so if you're on my YouTube channel and you click on my home tab, you can scroll down, you're going to see a bunch of playlists. These playlists are actually courses, they're trainings, basically showing people exactly what I'm doing to earn online. And I make 7 figures every year as an affiliate marketer and also trading Forex. So what we've come up with is actually a trading platform that connects your trading account, your Forex account, directly to our own accounts. These are my personal private accounts. We've created a signal copier basically. So what you do is you get the signal copier, you attach it to your trading account, that links it to ours. And whenever we take a trade, you actually take that trade as well, and you get to keep all the profit. So it's really, really cool. But what I've been doing is creating this series right here called Turn $1,000 into $1 million. And we're growing an account from $1,000 all the way up to $1 million. And this series shows you every day what our profit is, what we're earning with it. And I actually have the document right here that you guys can follow along with and see what we're earning. You can see we do have losses here and there. But in our software, you're going to actually see, when we click into it here, click into the signal so that you can view the data. You have access to this, by the way. You're going to have your own platform that you guys can log into and check the data. But you can see that our win percentage is 70%. Our loss percentage is 29%. So we're vastly higher with our win rate than our losses, and that is what you need to be. Unlike other gurus online, like the Forex gurus who are showing you $100,000, $1 million profits, that's not something that just normal people like you and I can expect every day. That, those guys have been trading for 10 years. They might have $100,000 or even a $100 million account that they're trading with and getting trades that profit in the hundreds of thousands. But that's not realistic for somebody trading with under, $100,000 or $200,000 account. You're not going to see profits like that. But what you can do with Forex, which is quite, what we take advantage of, is you can use it as an investment. So the way that I explain this is if you are investing in a retirement fund, right, with your work, say that you have a retirement fund you pay into every single month, and after 30 years of saving up, you finally have $1 million there. This is the same concept, and actually it works in the exact same way. What you're not seeing when you're saving up for retirement is you're not seeing the fluctuation in the market as that capital is being traded. You're just seeing it go up, year after year after year, and it starts compounding a little bit. But generally, you're only making 3 to 5% profit. With Forex, with what we're doing, the way that we trade, you actually make 15 to 18% profit. Some months we make up to 50%. You can see we had a 50% month here, a 61% month here, 15% there. We had an 18% loss. We had a 10% loss this month so far, but we are way up, over 110% growth. You can see that our data has been steady since January. That's when we released this publicly. Now, we actually had other people in this using this software for about 8 or 9 months, but we finally pushed it out publicly back in January, and that's when we actually made it into something that you can use. Now, let's go over the numbers because that's something that a lot of people want to see. If we pull up the numbers, this is what we were averaging when we first started the account. We've had some really good months where we were hitting, 2,100 profit, or good weeks, 2,100 profit. We had a $69 profit last week. It was a kind of a rough week, but at least we were in the positive. This week, we've been in profit all week. Generally you're going to see this where we're mainly in profit, but every once in a while we will have weeks that aren't in profit. Now that doesn't hurt you at all because this is an investment, and what you should be looking at is I'm going to put my money in this for the next 2 or 3 years and grow it to something substantial. And that's exactly how we trade Forex. And by the way, we are actually trading this live. These are real people trading these accounts. They're partnered with me, and they've been trading my own accounts for 2 years now. And that's why we built this software. So this isn't a bot, this isn't an app, but it's still automated because you're basically just using our software to link up to our trading account and copy our signals. And it goes instantly. The second that our account takes a trade, your account takes that trade. All of our trades have take profits. All of our trades have stop losses. We have equity monitors. Everything is very, very out in the open so that you can see. You have your own dashboard like this. You guys can, join my Facebook group and talk to some of the people that have been doing this for a while with us. We even have a trading group that we set up on Facebook. So just shoot me a message if you want, and I can send you a link to that. My number's on the bottom of the screen. But yeah, we've been doing this a long time. It's very successful. It's something that, if you're looking to grow an account, a decent size account, maybe $1,000 to $2,500 into $1 million, you can do that in about 3 or 4 years by using our signal, by just letting this run over time. See, what happens, guys, is when you are investing in something like retirement. See, I was talking about it before just a little while ago, but if you're investing in your retirement, let's say you put your first money in right here, okay? And over the years, your account is slowly going like this because it's all just being traded, right? So this is what your account looks like. This is what the market looks like. It's up and down, but it slowly starts climbing up. And with retirement, typical retirement, again, that's only 3%, right? That's only 3% gain per year that you're making. With ours, we're making a 15 to 18% gain per month on the minimum side. Now, this is very conservative. You can see we did have some months where we hit 50%, but those are kind of what still keep us in profit during months that there's losses. But there is going to be losses. There's going to be wins and losses. It will never, ever blow the account, though, because we have equity monitors. So that's never going to happen. We don't trade like that. We're not out there trading with high risk, trying to make, millions of dollars as fast as we can. No, we're in this for the long haul. We've been doing this a long time. And we know the way to do this properly. So the reason that most people actually fail in the Forex industry is because they're listening to these gurus who are selling a course or selling a bot or something that doesn't work. And they think that there's a realistic way to make millions of dollars overnight. And there is no realistic way unless you're playing the lotto, and the chances of that are very low. So how do you guys get started? Well, on the video that you're watching right now, let's just click open this other one for an example. Underneath the video, you can click the drop down, and My Freedom FX link is right here. You guys can click on that. It's going to take you over here to, let me just click on it and show you. You click on that, it's going to take you over here to this page. You can fill out your information right here, and then once you get an email with your account access, you can go ahead and log into your account. That's going to take you to our tutorial right here. This shows you how to set it up. It talks with you about expectations, what you can expect with all of this, and then it's just an easy setup. It takes about 20 minutes, half an hour to set this up, and then you're ready to rock and roll. Then you have access to this dashboard right here, and this is where you can actually follow our signal. But the tutorial walks you through all of it, exactly what you have to do. And again, guys, this is the update for today. We're at $178.36. Today, that was our profit. Total of almost $500 this week. We'll probably hit that by the end of the week, at least $500, $600, $700, something like that, I would guess. Hopefully, right, if we just stay on track. And up total profit loss 3608. So that's perfect. That's great. It's working out really, really well. Again, this is expected. We've been doing this a long time. So the new part about this is just putting out publicly to you guys. And that's why I'm trying to be open with everything so that you guys have access to all of the data, everything you need to see to make an informed decision on whether you want to jump into this or not. The other thing that you guys can do is go join my Facebook group. I talked about that a second ago. You can click this link right here. It's going to take you over to my Facebook group. This group is filled with people that are using different trainings that I have. You saw them on my YouTube channel here. I have other training videos. These are basically free courses. I don't charge anybody for my courses, and this is what I do myself every single day. It works really, really well. I show my bank account on a couple times here, a couple occasions. I show you what I'm earning so that you know that, okay, he's the real deal. But this is literally what I do every single day. I do affiliate marketing, and then I have Forex that I also have bringing in revenue. And I have a couple other things such as e-commerce and a bunch of other things. But really, my two big things that I can teach you guys and help benefit you is affiliate marketing and Forex. And with our Forex, it's fully automated. Again, this was just an update video for today's profits. So I hope you guys can see that. You guys have access to this document as well in the video description, so don't forget about that. You guys can click into here and access the document right here. You just click that, open it up. You can even make a copy just by clicking file and make a copy for yourself if you want. But yeah, you can track all the data, and you can openly track the data on our app as well, which is app.myfreedomfx.com, which is of course this page right here where you can see all of our trades and what's happening live, right? That being said, you guys have a great day. That's going to be it for the update today, and I will see you guys either tomorrow or the next day for another update this week. Take it easy.